2024 Volvo S60. We're gonna reset the maintenance reminder. I'm gonna tell you how to do it first, and then I'll show you how to do it, okay? So the first thing you wanna do is put your seatbelt on. That's gonna prevent any extra messages from popping up on the cluster here, okay? Sorry about the glare. The sun is like right in my face right now. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna press and hold down this minus button, and then we're gonna hit the engine start stop switch 3 times with our foot off the brake. Then it'll tell us to start the car with our foot on the brake. So we'll go ahead and start it with our foot on the brake. We're still holding this minus sign. After about 3 or 4 seconds, there will be an eye that pops up in this corner, like right over here by the temperature. As soon as it pops up, it's gonna be a yellow eye symbol. You're gonna let go of the minus, and then it should tell you a message on the cluster maintenance reminder reset. Okay, so we'll go through it real quick. Okay, so here we go. Minus sign, 3 times here. 1, 2, 3. Tells us to put our foot on the brake, start the car. Foot on the brake, start the car. Still holding the minus sign, waiting for the eye symbol to pop up on the dash here. God, the glare sucks, sorry. I'm gonna let go of the button here, and then on the cluster it should say maintenance reminder reset.